Welcome to IGM Guru. IGM Guru is one of the global leading online training and certification provider for IT expert by the skilled IT gurus to help them achieve their professional goals.
We are talking about aggregator stage. Aggregator stage. Right, so we used to find department wise total salaries information. Department wise we found out some of the salaries information, and if we go to the okay, let me where is this? So if you see the data here, I have jobs field and okay, jobs field. Okay, here. So here I want to find out for every job role how many employees are there. How many employees are there are working. So I want to find out this. How can we do that? I want to find out for every job role how many employees are working. You see the data here for the salesman role there is 4 employees, right? And for clerk there is 4 employees. For manager there might be some three employees are working as managers. So like that we have different job roles, and I want to find out total number of employees who are working under a particular job. So how to do that? If you want to write a
Using
SQL,
count,
how do you write it?
yes, right. Count of star from stable group by the jobs.
So I need to write here job from group by something job. Is it? Okay, now if you want to do the same thing in DataStage, how do you do that? right? And let's take on some file, something, load into. I will I'm able to fetch the data here. And so what I have taken the group here, job and aggregation type. There are different aggregation types. Out of the count of rows is one aggregation type, and total count. I'll give some name of the column where I want to place the output. Do we have to do anything else apart from this? So I set the group property and I set the aggregation type, and I provided the output column where I want to pass this output. So that's it, and map it. Something. So I hope we are done with this, and job count. Story is easy. Okay. So here, how many job roles are here? Select distinct job from EMP. So I have total five job roles. So okay, so yeah. So under the salesman we have four, and under the clerk we have four, and manager we have three. So that's it. Okay. So what if I want to find out total number of employees working in a particular department or in every department. How do you find out this? So what I have to do the changes here according to this. What changes I have to do in the job?
Department employee table.
So your voice is not audible.
Hello. Is it
Yeah,
okay?
it is better now. Yeah, what I have to
Group. We want to change to department ID.
department ID. Okay, that's it.
That's all.
Okay, so I need to remove this. I'll freshly add it. Okay, so this one I need to add. Add department number, total count, and run this. So if you see here, total how many departments?
Four department.
Okay, we have four. We have three departments.
Three.
So we should get three here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so before that, I need to, yeah, this is three departments. 10, 3 is there, 6, 30 departments, 6 are there, 20 departments, 5 are there. That's how it is. Okay, let it be. Okay, so now, if you see the file here, what is your observation?
It's delimited pipeline.
Sorry?
Delimited using pipe symbol.
Delimiter 5 is one observation. Any other observations we have in this data?
Duplicate is there.
There are the duplicates and there are certain unique data, unique set of data, right?
Yeah.
So I want to pick all the duplicates into one file and all the unique data into another file. I want to source is having loops and target. I want to get two different targets, target 1, right? I want to take target 1 which consisting of all loops should go to target 1 and all unique data should go to. After removing the duplicates, whatever the eliminated duplicates should go to the target 1 and whatever the unique records are there that goes to target 2. I need to capture a different target, right? Data removed should go to target 1 and unique data should go to target 2. This is my source. So what I have to do in this case? So normally if you want to delete the duplicates, what do you do? How do you delete the duplicates data generally? So I may use sort stage, right? I may use remove duplicate stage, right? I can use different stages for this purpose. At this moment I'm talking about sort and remove, but we can do other ways also. And now if I want to capture this duplicate data into one file and unique data into another file, how can do that? Alright, so I need to have a file first. Okay, and okay, then I will take sort stage again. Okay, let me get this first. Okay, so this one, all as it is, and column pipe. This should be delimiter has to change to pipe, correct? And I change the delimiter here, and if I try to, I need to get the metadata. Contacts. What is the source dips? Oh, this is a different file. Okay, I need to import that file here. Okay, so context one, okay. Here this one, and here the delimiter would be different. Should be pipe here. Alright, and yeah, I'm fine with data here. You can close. These are fine, and let's check the data here. Okay, so we got the data here, and then what next I have to do here in the sort stage? What are all the things I need to set? So I'll take first name. I will change this property to true here. Okay, so here I have a property called create key change column. What this create key change column will do is, let's say my data is like this. My data is like this, and so here what will happen here is it will create a new column called key change, some name, whatever name. It will create one, this particular property will create one more column name here key change or cluster key change, it will create one new more column and it will assign a value for that. So here for the first record it would be 1 here, and for the second record it will make it as whatever the repeated data is there, it will assign the same number here. It will assign 0 here, and here it will assign 0 here, because this data is, rest of the data is duplicated. So for whatever the duplicate information is there, it will assign 0 there, and here it will assign 1 here, and here it will assign 1 here, because sorry, it will assign 1 here, it will assign 1 here, and it will assign 0 here because of on this column, and again this one would be 0, something like this, and it will assign 1 here because on the first name the value changed. Alright, and so it will assign the values for duplicate information, it will assign 0, and for the change record, changed value, it will assign 1 here. That's how it is. And so this particular column will create a column called key change. The column is set to 1 for the first row in the group, in each group, where the value of sort key changes. Subsequent records in the group have the column set to 0. This is the property which it is going to follow. This is the property which it is going to follow. Right, and right, this is it is. For the first record, it will set 1 here in the group, and rest of the records, it will set 0 here. Right, that's how it is. And coming to, I have columns here, and what I want to do now. Now I got two different sets of data here. Two different sets of data here. Key change is equal to 1 and key change equal to 0. Two different sets of data. So 0 is having duplicate information and 1 is having unique information. So I will take a filter stage because I want to send to, why I'm taking filter stage here. My target is I want to send this information to two different targets. So if you want to send data to multiple targets based on certain conditions, the only choice is filter stage. Filter stage will help us to load the data into multiple targets or outputs based on certain conditions, right? So I will take filter stage here and I will try to connect. So here I need to mention some class here, some condition here, alright? Okay, one moment. So here I need to do some mapping. So you see here there is a function called key change which will identify the change records and unique records, and I'll map it and I'll go here. If you see the where class, what condition I need to apply?
Key change equal to 1.
Key change equal to 1. I want to pass into one output, so let it be 0. and I need to take one more condition. Key change equal to 0, and I need to pass to a particular target. That would be 1 here. So I applied multiple conditions here based on the key change column, and I'm passing into different targets, right? And this is fine, and we'll map to the target. We'll take two different targets. Because in the filter stage I have two different output links. So here, when you go to the output tab, I have two links, two different targets, two links, two different output links. So map it, simply drag and drop here. Go to the other link also, try to map between source to target. So the mapping is done in the filter stage for these two different targets. So here I need to set the properties. Okay, so mention test key change 1.txt, and here okay, what is the delimiter, I'll put pipe here. You can put pipe also or comma also. So as my source is having pipe, I am putting pipe here. And to the target as well, I am taking pipe. So I need to save this job, right? Loops, unique targets. Okay, now I change this job and so this is the unique data, right? Sandal, you there?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So So this is the duplicate information
Yes.
because from the source I have duplicate information for A and CCC here. So on the whole context, what is your observation on the whole job?
Thanks for watching the video. For full course, please visit www.igmguru.com and enroll today.